You know, some new houses they build in Lakewood, I really like it, guys. It's really the style, the design. Some builders really doing a good job now. Look at that. Look at these houses. 1, 2, 3 floors and a basement, full basement. 1, 2, 3 floors, 1, 2, 3 floors and the basement. A huge attic, look. Soft closed seats. Look, this is the attic. So you got the bench for the kids, a little kitchenette, bathroom. Nice faucet, toilet, nice. This is attic, guys. This is all the way attic. The lights, the tile, the fixtures. So good, so smooth, turns on, everything, super nice. Beautiful. Three sinks. This is the basement, guys. Let us walk out. It's so nice. The kitchenette. Too big. 75 gallons. So you got 150 gallons. You can run 5 bathrooms, 5 showers at the same time, no problem. Nobody have to wait. Water mains nice and tight. Nice full kitchen. Beautiful, beautiful house.